one. No, that's not the same video. We're actually on a train. We just left the Tangal area after 9 days and this is our second time being here. And we are on a train from Beliata to Colombo. We actually took you on a one-day trip around Tangal area, how it is to backpack around Sri Lanka, just a typical day. But it actually turned out to be way more eventful because we saw a lot of animals, crashed our drone, had fun times on a motorbike. And I think we're leaving. Good morning from Nuwara Eliya. I think this is the coldest place we were now in Sri Lanka.
It's definitely the coldest place we've been. So cold.
From looking at our outfits, got a sweater, a rain jacket, long pants and shoes for the first time. But it's really beautiful here. It's basically like tea plantations everywhere. We are on our way to a cave. I'm really excited to see it. Apparently you can swim. There's also even diving there. It's gonna be a really interesting journey to go inside because it's basically like a rabbit hole that you have to climb through. So yeah, I'm gonna keep you updated in this cool experience. Excited. I'm gonna die. We just came back from Nil Diya Pokuna. It's a beautiful cave. It took us, I think, two and a half hours. And it cost 2,000 rupees, Sri Lankan rupees, and you need to have a guide there. I would be completely lost. It's pitch black dark. You get like a headlamp. You would be able to find your way, right?
I think so. It basically just goes down.
It's huge. It's really big. Like this is the biggest cave I've ever been into.
It's huge. There was a lot of beds inside.
there was millions and millions of tiny little flies. Like,
yeah, so you have to keep your light. I mean, you don't have to, but what we did was keep the light off, turn it on, see where you're going, and turn it off because you're gonna get
but
attacked. I'm getting swarmed by the animals, some kind of flies, I guess. Blah, blah. Oh, I just ate one again.
It's really like, it's a hike that is not for the scared ones.
The entrance is hard and it's dirty.
Like, our outfit right now is a little bit ruined. Our shoes are ruined, but it's so worth it. And at the end, the favorite part was the swimming, and the water is so clear. It was so beautiful. It was really crazy. The water was actually not that cold. I thought it was gonna be freezing, but it's
okay.
Yeah, it's okay. And yeah, it's really cool. I definitely would recommend doing it, and it's one of the things that not a lot of tourists do here in Ella. People do all the waterfalls here, and then there is like the Little Adam's Peak, Ella Rock. There's loads of things to do around here. It's just such a huge place, and literally everything is beautiful here. So I think when you come here, I definitely recommend you to do, but you need to venture out on your own and see what other locals do, because this place, there's not a lot of foreigners that do this. It's mostly locals. Really hope that everybody can see this place. It's so cool, and it's so untouched by humans. Like, there's no trash around. It's just a real raw cave. That's about it, right?
Yeah.
Hope you enjoyed with us this crazy adventure that is not so typical and average thing to do. And yeah, see you next adventure. Like, subscribe, leave a comment if you liked it, and hope you enjoyed seeing this creature. Bye bye.
Bye.